Understanding Repairing Harm, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important and meaningful phrase in the English language, repairing harm. This phrase is not just about fixing something that's broken. It's about making things right in relationships and communities. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, professional development, or academic purposes, understanding such phrases is key to mastering the language. So, let's dive in. Repairing harm is a compound phrase consisting of two words, repairing and harm. Repairing refers to the act of fixing something that is damaged or broken. It can be physical, like repairing a car, but in this phrase, it's used metaphorically to mean fixing a situation or relationship. Harm, on the other hand, means damage or injury, particularly to someone's feelings, dignity, or social relations. When combined, repairing harm involves actions or efforts to mend the damage caused, particularly in a social or emotional context. To better understand repairing harm, let's look at some examples. 1. Apologizing for a mistake. If someone says something hurtful, repairing harm might involve apologizing sincerely and taking steps to show they understand the hurt they've caused. 2. Community reconciliation. After a conflict within a community, repairing harm could involve discussions, meetings, and actions to rebuild trust and relationships. These examples show that repairing harm is about acknowledging mistakes and taking concrete steps to make amends. Understanding the concept of repairing harm is crucial because it promotes empathy and understanding in personal and professional relationships, encourages responsibility and accountability for one's actions, fosters healing and reconciliation in communities and societies. This phrase embodies a powerful principle that goes beyond language learning. It's about building a more compassionate and responsible world. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and significance of repairing harm in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and values they represent. So, keep learning and exploring, and you'll not only master English but also gain insights into different aspects of life and relationships. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.